Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we've got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change delivery address on FedEx. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, access a particular browser on your mobile phone, or you can simply access your FedEx app and go ahead, type in fedex.com on search bar and get into this official website of it. And then afterward, tap on your profile icon and simply log in. Right, enter your user ID, enter your password, and simply get yourself logged in. Then afterwards, tap on the three horizontal and top right corner of the section and tap on this tracking option just right over here. Once you're tapped on it, you're gonna go ahead and enter your particular tracking number that you get while you ordered a particular package for the shipping purpose. Then you tap on this track option afterwards. Once you have done so, you will get this option called in select or manage delivery option. Once you have tapped on it, you will get this option called edit delivery address just right there below. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to re-edit your delivery address, aka change it according to your need, and tap on this done and confirm, and then you can go back and simply receive your package on a change address. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.